Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now, after the new template types, the next new feature that has been introduced in WordPress 6.0 is the addition of the code editor. Okay, now in the video that we did on WordPress 5.9, we discussed this, that the option for the code editor is missing in the site editor. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. So basically this is the site editor that we are in, and when I will click this option, you can see there is no option for the visual editing or the site editing. You cannot switch between anything because the options are not present. Now in WordPress 6.0 this thing has changed, and now you will be able to see the code editor option, and on selecting this it will convert the complete template into the code. Okay, now in case you want to go back to the visual editor, then you can click visual editor right over here. Okay, let me show you this option again in WordPress 6.0 site editor. You click this ellipsis menu right over here, and the code editor option is right under this editor option. Okay, you will click this option and it will convert the template into a code. Okay, now you can make the changes and switch back to visual editor by clicking visual editor right over here. This feature was missing in WordPress 5.9. You can see right over here. Let me click this option again. It is missing and this is available. Okay, so this is another change that you will see in the new site editor in WordPress 6.0. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.